This is just a quick report on a project I did a couple years ago. It is a box that generates low frequencies at fairly precise accuracy. Its intended use was to test under frequency operation of reclosers used on electrical distribution systems. It can generate anywhere from 60 hertz down to 55 hertz for testing purposes. It does have a wider range than that, but for its intended use, that's what it was optimized for. In operation, it monitors the status of the recloser. At the time it was built, it's primarily intended to test Cooper power systems, reclosers of the Form 6 variety. Cooper has since been bought out by Eaton, I believe. I'm not sure how they market it anymore. The Cooper recloser provided two contacts to indicate when the recloser was open or closed. This system would generate a frequency starting at 60 hertz and slowly, well, it could be programmed to set how quickly or slowly it created descending frequency output. The audio output of this device was fed into a standard audio amplifier that was configured basically to be used for the bass frequencies. 60 hertz should be within range of most amplifiers of that type. And there was a voltage output control that allowed the output voltage to be adjusted precisely. The output of the audio amplifiers were fed into actually a filament transformer connected in reverse, and the output of the amplifier would go into the low voltage winding of the filament transformer, or the 12 volt transformer, and be stepped up to 120 volts to be fed into the recloser for sampling. There was an automatic button on this unit that would be pressed to start the ramping down in frequency. Each step of frequency could be programmed from 0.1 hertz to 1 hertz, and at each step it would wait a predetermined length of time and then step to the next lower frequency. It would also run a timer that would monitor the recloser contacts and start a counter that would, if the recloser opened at that frequency, it would indicate on the display how long it took. The under frequency operation could be set fairly sensitive or quickly, or for a longer period of time. So that would indicate how well the control was working at that frequency. Anyway, this video is just set up to kind of be a teaser. If anybody expresses, or if there's several people who express more interest in the details of this project, and also that it was eventually expanded to provide three-phase low frequencies like this. And if there's enough people interested, I'll do a more complete write-up on this, of how I got such low frequencies. It uses an Arduino internally. It uses a programmable frequency generator, well outside its normal range of operation and can produce frequency steps of 1,000th of a hertz, or millihertz if you want to call it that. The timings, the frequencies are programmable from the keypad there, and that's about the information I have available at this time. I'll zoom into the display there and show you a little bit about what goes on there. And test is initiated, and that third line shows you the frequency that's being output. It gets down to 55 hertz and tells you that the recloser didn't open. That was based on the recloser contacts down here that are being monitored. And that's about it. If people are interested, I'll put more information up on a video and share that with people. Thank you for watching.